What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel Tech India with Kavish. Python is the language behind AI automation, machine learning, and modern software development. So, in this video, I will be installing Python and VS Code, and we will finally begin our coding journey. In future, I will bring the full playlist of beginner Python course. Then we will step into the DSA and finally the real world projects and machine learning. So, if you haven't subscribed our channel, do subscribe it so that you don't miss the latest updates.
Now we are onto our laptop screen. We will search for Python download. Go to this link, check here downloads, and then click here. This is install manager. No need to install this. We will directly download the latest version of the Python. Click here, and here you will see this message. Click it. Do all the steps very carefully. Add Python exe to the path. Click both. Now install. So now it's downloaded, setup was successful, it's written, and then we will close it. Check whether your Python has been correctly installed. We can just go to the command prompt, type here Python minus minus version, and it will show the version that you will actually download. Now you can see we have downloaded the latest version 3.14.5. It can be different if you are seeing this video in future. Now we will check the download for VS Code. Search here VS Code download. Go to this Microsoft website of VS Code. If you have different system operating system, go for that. If you are using MacBook, go for this one. If you are using Linux, then you go for this Ubuntu one. I have Windows, so I'll download for this. Click here, and you will see automatically this VS Code user setup file will begin to download. Now after downloading, open this file. Click here, I accept the agreement. Then next. This will create a desktop icon. Keep it as it is. Then install. Now it will begin installing. So after download, click this finish and make it marked only because it will launch it. See, like this, our Visual Studio Code will get launched. When you will first time download on your system, it will show a welcome note and the list of folders and other functions. It is not showing in mine because already I had downloaded VS Code and my account is also there in it. You can make your account with this. Now here go to file and you can open your folder. This I have opened. You can create files using this icon. You can create a subfolder inside that folder using this. You can refresh this explorer and you can collapse all folders using this. For example, I create one new file here, new underscore file dot py. We have to always write to and write your piece of code here like this. Hope you found this video worthful. From next videos, we will start our playlist of full beginner Python course. Thanks for watching.